Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with the real estate entrepreneur, Omar Afara. How you doing, buddy?
Pretty good. What's up, everybody?
So we're going to see you Friday for our speaker dinner, right? And you're going to be at the
Yes.
event on Saturday. It's already here.
It's down the street. I mean, it's a week away. I mean, it's a few days away. Sorry. We already got
Oh,
everything set up. Everything's ready to rock. We're gonna be driving out on Friday,
nice.
and it's gonna be cool. I can't wait to have some dinner with you, Mike. It's gonna be cool.
Yeah, yeah, it's going to be good. We got a private room at Ruth Chris Steakhouse. We're
Yeah.
we're going all out for you guys. So thank you for doing this. Well, first video we always do is the market. Tell us about your market. Remind people of what market you're in, and then what happened in October.
Yeah. So, guys, I'm in Southern California. We are in the Hesperia, Apple Valley, Victorville, Phelan, Wrightwood, Big Bear, that general area, kind of the mountains too, Lucerne, Barstow. And our market here is the high desert, is what we call it. And it's been an interesting last month and a half. You guys know the rates went up. You guys know all that stuff. Right now, we're sitting at 15 about 1,500 houses for sale, and it was different. It was, what was it? It was 1,600 houses 15 days ago.
Wow.
1664,
Okay.
dropping down to 1,500.
Okay. So I don't know the answer to this, but this is what I want to ask.
Yeah.
First off, this is what I think is going to happen.
Yeah.
So
Let's
that
talk
so
about
just so people know, the only way you go from 1664 to 1500 is A, you sell a bunch of stuff,
it.
which I don't think happened.
Right.
Two, you have a bunch of closings because I don't know if pendings were those actives or does that include pendings?
That does include, I'm looking at it right now, actually, on my phone. It is, no, it doesn't include pendings.
So it's only active. Okay. So
Yeah.
you either put a bunch of stuff in,
Yep.
or this is what I think is growing. You get cancellations or expired listings. We are right about the point where your summer listings will naturally expire. So I'm guessing you didn't sell 164. I'm guessing you had a bunch of expires and cancellations.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. We're sitting at a crap load of expireds, a lot of cancellations, and people just withdrawing their listings. So,
Exactly.
um, and their escrows, because how can they even? It doesn't make sense. People are going to start getting locked in at an 8.5, 9% loan. You know that, right? It's just gonna be
Crazy.
stupid.
Stupid. Stupid. Yeah, so this is the world that we live in, and this is why I have a feeling that a lot of the numbers in housing are going to look very distorted. What we are
Mhm.
seeing across the board. This was from National Association of Realtor. Inventory is up.
Yep.
Okay, fine. Because demand is down. I
Hmm.
think that inventory is about to crater because of what you had in your market: expireds, cancellations, withdrawals.
Yeah.
Just get the number of this demand destruction is clear at 8%. What people don't get is I think there's going to be record supply destruction also.
Yeah, and this is the thing. This is my market. So anybody
Yeah,
that's listening, if you're in a metropolitan area that's larger, that's bigger, that has more population, you'll see the effects later.
I
Like,
agree.
we in our area, in our
You're
median home
first.
price,
You are first. Yes.
yeah, we're first to see the downturn. We're last to see the appreciation, and that's the other thing that I wanted to discuss too. It's like the value could be there for the house, right? For that investment property.
Mhm.
But it doesn't make sense for the buyer to buy it because the payment's too high. So then this is where value will stay there, but the close price is going to change. And that's where it's going to go down 10, 15, $20,000 that someone's willing to pay.
Yeah. Yeah. This is it's going to be a
You know,
very
I mean, I
yeah,
just think that's, yeah,
it's a very
that's what's crazy.
it's a very interesting market. Did you see anything else
Mike, you there?
interest? Yep, I'm here.
Can you hear me now?
I can. I lost you for a second, but we're good.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
So, any other housing stats? So that's very interesting. Seeing the inventory go down, not selling. It
Yeah.
says cancellation withdrawal expire. Anything else of interest last month?
You know, yeah, the lack of counter offers that people should do. Like they shouldn't counter anyone right now. They need to just accept the deals, get them in escrow because you want that emotional buyer. Because right now, buyers buy off of emotion, not truly logic. You and I might be a little different, but a normal consumer buys off of emotion.
Yeah.
And if that window of opportunity is there for you listing agents out there, for even investors like myself, I want the buyer emotional so they don't back out of my deal.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't want to counter them because if I counter them, obviously to an extent, but if I counter them, they might lose that emotion and say, "Oh, well, let me go see if I can find emotion with somebody else or another property." Sorry. So
Yeah.
it's the same
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. 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 It basically a counter is permission to say no.
Exactly.
Right.
100%.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's a really weird market. We're going to talk in video number 2 why I'm vibrating with excitement. I can't control it anymore. I'm so excited. We're going to talk about how we're going to deploy hopefully millions of dollars in the next video. But yeah, if you want to be a part of Omar's world, how would they follow you?
Guys, follow me on IG at Invest with Omar. My new website's coming out soon, omaralfaro.com. It's a cool one. And yeah, stay tuned because I'll have a link pretty soon that you'll be able to join my team anywhere you're at.
Nice. I look forward to that. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.